Hello everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classrooms. So today we are going to learn about very interesting chapter which is related to SI, simple interest. Okay, we all have learned or we have all have known the term simple interest. Okay, हम लोग सब जानते हैं होता क्या है. Okay, so basically what happens, sometime someone need some money. Okay, for different purposes from either from some money lenders or from some bank, okay, or from some person also. So what they used to take is, instead of giving, वो लोग पैसा तो दे देते हैं, they used to give the money, but additional some money they take back. Okay, कुछ extra amount लेते हैं वो पैसा देने के बदले. That is called the simple interest. Okay, simple interest means that is called simply the interest. Okay, so simple interest we will look into about that. But the basic thing about the simple interest is that only. इसी को हम लोग सिंपल इंटरेस्ट यही सब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में. ओके, सो कुछ टर्म्स है इससे रिलेटेड. सो फर्स्ट इज डिस्कस अबाउट दोस टर्म्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. Principal means the total money whatever you are taking. Suppose I am taking 1000 rupees from someone, so 1000 rupees is the principal amount. Okay, so this is the principal which we are taking. Okay, now we have second term which is called interest. So interest is the extra money which we are taking. Okay, extra money which we are taking is called the interest of the particular whatever they have given the money. Okay, now next which we have is amount. So amount is the total of the principal and interest. जब suppose हमारा जो principal है 1000 रुपीस, ठीक है, मैंने 1000 रुपीस लिया है और 1000 में इनका इंटरेस्ट जो है वो 100 रुपीस है, तो इसका टोटल जो होगा 1100. सो दिस विल बी द अमाउंट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर इंटरेस्ट. ओके, सो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट प्लस इंटरेस्ट इज द टोटल अमाउंट. ओके, नाउ वी हैव इज रेट. उसके बाद एक टर्म है जिसको रेट बोलते हैं. सो रेट, व्हाट इज द रेट? रेट इज इन पर 100 rupees how much you are taking in a particular year. मान लो 100 रुपया में हम 1 रुपया लेते हैं एक साल में. 100 रुपया में हम एक साल में 1 रुपया लेते हैं. सो दिस 1 rupees इज द रेट. ओके, अगर 5 rupees लेते हैं तो 5 rupees इज द रेट. सो इन ए पर्टिकुलर ईयर फॉर पर 100 rupees, 100 rupees में होना चाहिए. सपोज 200 होता है तो 2 हो जाएगा, 300 rupees होता है 3 हो जाएगा. So per 100 rupees in a year, how much amount you are taking? That is the rate. So मान लेते हैं यहाँ पे हमने thousands पे 100 लिया है, मतलब 100 पे मैं 10 रुपया ले रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पे मान लो रेट जो है ये 10 रुपीस है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे रुपीस सिंबल दे दो सब में. Okay, so these are the some terms. Now we will talk about the simple interest. Okay, simple interest. So simple interest means the interest when we used to calculate on the principal amount. ये principal value पे ही निकलता है. एक होता है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट जिसको हम लोग मतलब 8वें अजूबा बोलते हैं, ठीक है. उसमें क्या होता है कि आपका जो टोटल मनी होता है टोटल उस पे इंटरेस्ट लगते जाता है. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में आपका जो प्रिंसिपल है उस पे इंटरेस्ट लगता है, उसी के हिसाब से कैलकुलेशंस होता है हमेशा, ठीक है. इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द पी ओनली. ओके, सो दीज आर द सम टर्म्स एंड दिस इज द बेसिक कांसेप्ट ऑफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी द फार्मूला. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट? In short, P is known as, principal is known as P, interest is known as I. Okay, amount is we used to write A also. Okay, and R is denoted by R, rate is denoted by R, and simple interest we used to write SI. Okay, तो ये terms जो है यहाँ पे यूज होते हैं हमारे, ठीक है. So let's see the formula first. So formula of SI, simple interest, is P into R into T divided by 100. So इसका मतलब ये होता है जो भी प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है मल्टीप्लाई बाय जो भी रेट है मल्टीप्लाई बाय जो भी टाइम ड्यूरेशन है, उसके बाद हम लोग उसको 100 से अगर डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो हम लोग का सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकल जाएगा। ठीक है, तो अब हम लोग इसमें क्या करेंगे, मान दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, बट मान लेते हैं कहीं कहीं क्या होता है, समवेयर द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट मे बी गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट और रेट और टाइम। So what you will do in that case? So that case the formula will become, if from here only you want to find the principal amount, so principal amount will become, this 100 will come here, so SI multiply 100 it will be, and this comes here and these two will come and divide the side, so it will become R into T. मैंने यहाँ पे एक स्किप किया है, तो आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आता है तो ध्यान दो, ये 100 इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है तो ये SI into 100 हो गया। अब इसको इधर अगर लेके आते हैं और इसको इधर लेके जाते हैं तो एक्सचेंज कर देते हैं और R और T को ले जाके इधर डिवाइड करते हैं तो R into T। ठीक है, अब दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ P। ओके, नाउ if you want to find the rate R, so how can you find? So the formula of R will also be the same as I multiply 100 divided by, instead of R and T it will be P into T, so P into T. So this is how you can find the formula for time also. So for formula for time it will become SI into 100 divided by time you want to find out, so P and R is there, so P multiply R. So these are the some formula related to the simple interest which will be useful in this chapter, जो कि इस चैप्टर में आपके काम आएंगे। और कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स जो हम लोग ने सीखा, those all things also you have to keep in mind. So these all things you have to keep in mind, and the terms related to the principal amount, then interest and then rate, so these all things you have to keep in mind. So this is the basic about the simple interest. Okay, here we will see one example. It is asking find the simple interest, आपको simple interest निकालना है on this for this much of time at the rate of this much per annum, also find the amount भी आपको निकालना है। तो first let us find out the simple interest. Okay, to find out the simple interest, principal amount is given, P is given rupees 2500, R is given 6% and T is given 2 years and 6 months. Okay, so 2 years 6 months means 2.6 years, no 2.5 years. Okay, so 2 years and 6 months. 6 months means especially 1/2 years. Okay, so 2 years plus 1/2 year means 3/2 years. Total 2 years plus 1/2 years. So 2 to 4, 5/2 years. Okay, so this will come as 5/2 years. Okay, so this will come as 5/2 years. So now we will put the formula of simple interest. We know simple interest is PRT by 100. So P R T into R into T by 100. So here P is given 2500, R is given and T is given 5/2. Okay, and what else is given? Divided by 100 also, PRT by 100. So this much. Okay, so if you solve this, 20 will cancel, 2 3 are 6. Now 25 multiply 3 multiply 5, it will come 375. Check once, 3 5 are 55, 1 carry, it was 675, 75, 5 are 5, 5 are 25, 5, 2, 5, 7 are 35, 37. So 375. So rupees 375. This is the simple interest. Okay. ये इतना interest लगेगा. So now you have to find the amount. So amount is equal to, we know amount is equal to SI plus जो भी P था, so P plus SI. So P we have is 2500 and SI we have 375. So this will become 2500 rupees plus 375 rupees 375. So this will become 2875 rupees. This much of rupees. So this much will be the amount of this. So very simply, first you have to find the simple interest and then amount. That's all.
Here we are discussing question number 1 of exercise 12a. Actually, if we are talking about 1 to 5, these all questions are same. You have to find the simple interest and amount when the principal is given, rate is given, and time is given. Okay, so very simply we will put just the formula only. Okay, so it is given that P is equal to 6,400. Rate is given 6%, time is given 2 years. So very easily we will put just the formula of simple interest, which is PRT by 100. So the value of P we will write, value of R we will write, and then value of T we will write, and after multiplying this all we will divide by 100. Okay, and after then 20 will be cancelled, so the number will be remaining is 64 multiply 6 multiply 2, and if you multiply this all number you will get answer 768. So 768 is the simple interest which comes on 6400. ये जो है एडिशनली इतना इनको देना पड़ेगा अगर इस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन में वो पैसा लेते हैं. मान लो हम आपसे जो है 6400 रुपीज़ लिए हैं और आपका कहना है कि मेरा कहना है कि 2 साल बाद मैं आपको रिटर्न कर दूंगा और आपका कहना है कि 6% का आपको जो है इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. ठीक है, तो इस कंडीशन में ये टोटल एक्स्ट्रा जो अमाउंट देना पड़ेगा हमको 768 देना पड़ेगा. अब जो है टोटल अमाउंट जो अगर फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो वो जो प्रिंसिपल है प्लस सैम्पल इंटरेस्ट है इसको ऐड करेंगे तो टोटली 7,168 रुपीज़ आई नीड टू रिटर्न यू. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 which is similar to that only, but here it is asking find the time निकालना है. Here principal, simple interest and rate is given. So we have already learned this type of question also कि कैसे हम लोग टाइम निकाल सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट दिया हुआ है, फिर अमाउंट दिया हुआ है, देन रेट दिया हुआ है, टाइम इज़ नॉट गिवन. सो वी नो फर्स्ट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. तो ये सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकल जाता है. तो इससे हम लोग पहले सिंपल इंटरेस्ट जो है ये निकालेंगे. तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हम लोग का निकल जाएगा 1,450 रुपीज़. ओके, नाउ टाइम का फॉर्मूला हम लोग ने भी चेक किया था कि 100 इंटू सिंपल इंटरेस्ट डिवाइडेड बाई प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट इंटू रेट. ये हम लोग डिराइव कर सकते हैं जस्ट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का जो फॉर्मूला है फ्रॉम दैट ओनली. Okay, after then we will put that 100 multiply value of simple interest, we will put 1,450 rupees, and then principal amount value and then rate value we will put. After reducing this into lowest term, after cancelling all the terms, we will get the result 29 divided by 12. Okay, so if we write this 29 divided by 12 means 2 year and 5 months. So this is how we can find the time or if the principal amount and rate is given. Okay, so very simply this type of questions we can solve. So that means I hope you can solve question number 6, 7 by yourself. If you have any doubts in solving 6, 7 also you can ask, and with the help of question number that 1 you can solve up to 5. So now we have discussed up to 8. Now if we talk about question number 10, you have to find the rate. So okay, so rate when principal amount, simple interest and time is given. So just about that also we have learned how to find out the formula of finding rate. Okay, so here we will first write that principal amount is this much, then simple interest is this much, time is equal to this much. So time is 2.5 years, means 5 by 2 years total. Okay, so we know the formula of rate is 100 multiply simple interest divided by p into time, principal into time. Okay, so just we will put the all values, and after putting the all values, we will get the after putting the all values and after cancelling all the terms, after reducing these into the simplest lowest number, we will get the answer 5.7.5. Okay, so 7.5 means 7 years and half years. Okay, sorry, 7.5 means 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. So this is the rate of the particular simple interest. Okay, now if we are talking about question number 12, question number 12 is word problem, which is asking Sanata borrowed ₹6,000 फ्रॉम स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. एक बैंक से 6,000 रुपये का एक आदमी ने ये लिया है, लोन लिया है फॉर 3 years 8 month. तो यहाँ पे टाइम दिया हुआ है 3 years 8 month, यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल दिया हुआ है 6,000 एंड एट द रेट दिया, सॉरी, एट द 12% पर एनम. सो दिस इज द रेट, परसेंटेज इज गिवन 12%. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द अमाउंट, व्हाट अमाउंट विल क्लियर ऑफ हर डेबिट. सो आपको अमाउंट निकालना है. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग इसका सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग जो है अमाउंट निकालेंगे. तो वेरी इजीली इट इज़ गिवन that first here we will convert 3 years and 8 months means how much. So 3 years means 3 multiply 12. So this first we will convert into month. Okay, so the 11 by 3 years it will be in, if you convert into 3 years means 3 multiply 12 plus 8 is 44. So 44 divided by 12, if you reduce this into lowest fraction, say 11 by 3. So 11 by 3 will be the time. Okay, and simple interest it is given 12% per annum. So first we have to find the simple interest now. So simple interest, we know the formula is PRT by 100. Okay, so here we will use this formula and we will put the value, all the value of principal amount, all the value of rate, and the will divide all the value of time, and we will divide by 100, and then we will get the simple interest. So after finding the simple interest, this 6,000 multiply 12 multiply 11 by 3 is the time, divided by 100. So you when you solve this, you will get rupees 2,640. So 2,640 is the principal. Okay, so now if you want to find the amount, just you have to add simple interest and the principal. Principal means the total amount which you have borrowed, जितना आपने लिया था वो 6,000 रुपीज़ प्लस प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 2,640 रुपीज़ जो एक्स्ट्रा आपको पे करने हैं. तो ये दोनों को ऐड करके हम लोग का जो अमाउंट आएगा वो आएगा 8,640. सो दिस विल बी द टोटल अमाउंट विच दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन नीड टू क्लियर ऑफ. ओके, so this is how this type of word problems you can solve, wherein you have to first check it out which values are given, and according to that you have to find out the required value with whatever it will ask for. So now let's revise a quick review of the simple interest. So simple interest is the quick and easy method of calculating the interest charged on a loan, or whoever, suppose we are taking some borrowed from somewhere, we are taking loan from someone, so we want to calculate the interest quickly, then we use the simple interest method. Okay, so what, for any payments, for any loans, we can use this method to find out. So there are some terms related to the simple interest we have learned. SI or I it is called. So I is the interest money which is credited in either dollars, it is written in dollars, so we used to write in rupees. And then P is written by the principal amount. Okay, and then rate and then time. So these are the some terms which is used in simple interest formula. And then suppose the formula which we use are for simple interest, we know PRT by 100. So and amount, principal amount plus simple interest, and from this only we can find out the formula for P also, R also, and T also. So here SI indicates for simple interest, P indicates for principal amount, R indicates for rate, and T indicates for time. Okay, so this is all about the simple interest. So I hope now you can do questions related to 12.1. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.